In a significant move signaling the next phase of China's military modernization, Beijing has reportedly finalized plans to purchase 20 IL-78MK-90A aerial refueling aircraft from Russia. The deal, one of the largest defense procurements between the two countries in recent years, represents a strategic effort by the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF, to extend its operational range and strengthen its capability for sustained, long-distance air operations. As tensions rise in the Indo-Pacific and global power alignment shift, this acquisition underscores China's ambition to transform its air force into a truly global power projection force. The IL-78MK-90A, an advanced variant of the Soviet-designed IL-78 is built on the modern IL-76MD-90A transport platform. This upgraded version incorporates state-of-the-art PS-90A 76 turbofan engines, improved fuel efficiency, digital cockpit avionics, and a strengthened airframe capable of supporting 3 simultaneous refueling points. Each aircraft can carry up to 105 tons of fuel, allowing it to refuel multiple fighter jets or bombers in a single mission. For China, this means the PLAAF will gain a substantial increase in the endurance and combat reach of its aircraft such as the J-16 multi-role fighter, the J-20 stealth interceptor, and the H-6K strategic bomber, which already play central roles in China's air strategy. This planned purchase comes as China continues to expand its domestic aerial refueling capability through the indigenous YY-20 tanker, which began entering service in recent years. However, production of the YY-20 remains limited, and its numbers are insufficient to meet China's growing operational demands. The acquisition of the IL-78MK-90A will therefore provide an immediate boost to the PLAAF's tanker fleet, helping bridge the gap until local manufacturing can meet future needs. The combination of Russian and Chinese systems is expected to give the PLAAF a flexible and layered refueling network capable of supporting simultaneous missions across multiple theaters. Analysts view this move as part of a broader pattern of strategic military cooperation between China and Russia, both of whom are seeking to counterbalance U.S. and allied influence in Eurasia and the Pacific. Moscow's willingness to sell advanced military hardware to Beijing, once a rare occurrence due to fears of technology replication, now reflects a growing convergence of geopolitical interests. Facing Western sanctions and reduced access to European markets following the conflict in Ukraine, Russia is deepening defense ties with China as a reliable partner and major customer. For Beijing, the deal offers not only technical benefits but also a symbolic affirmation of its rising status in global military affairs. Enhanced refueling capabilities will enable Chinese aircraft to conduct long-range patrols over the South China Sea, maintain a continuous aerial presence near Taiwan, and support far-reaching missions extending toward the Indian Ocean and Africa, where China maintains growing strategic and economic interests. The ability to sustain extended-range operations also gives China more leverage in regional flashpoints, increasing its deterrence posture while allowing it to respond more flexibly to crises. Furthermore, this move aligns with China's 2035 military modernization roadmap, which calls for the development of a world-class air force capable of conducting integrated, multi-domain operations. A robust tanker fleet is vital to that goal, allowing fighters, surveillance aircraft, and bombers to remain airborne for extended periods, a key requirement for maintaining dominance in modern warfare. Industry observers expect the IL-78MK-90A deliveries to take place in phases, potentially beginning within the next few years once final contracts and logistics are settled. Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, the parent company overseeing aviation production, is likely to handle the manufacturing at its Aviastar SP facility in Ulyanovsk. Each aircraft is anticipated to cost between $100 to $120 million, depending on configuration and training packages, potentially bringing the total deal value close to $2 billion. As global security dynamics evolve, the IL-78MK-90A deal highlights not only China's growing air power ambitions but also the deepening strategic partnership between Beijing and Moscow, a partnership increasingly defined by shared opposition to Western military dominance. With this acquisition, China will join a select group of nations capable of conducting sustained aerial operations far from their own borders, solidifying its position as a formidable air power in the 21st century.